So let's look at setting up a virtual machine. So first we select a template. So we'll create a new template and we give it a name and a description. We can select the version, typically it's version 7 that we would use, and we can define the guest operating system from here. So there's a range of guest operating systems that we can use, from Linux to Windows and so on. We can see that the maximum number of CPUs that we can use is 8, and then we can define our disk size, and the key SCSI bus types that we can use is bus logic parallel, LSI logic parallel, LSI logic SAS, and paravirtual. We can also select the network that we're going to use and whether it uses DHCP or not. Okay, so it just takes a little minute to create it. And we can have a look at some of the properties. So we can see that it's undeployed and unpublished. So we need to publish it before we can actually use it, of course. But here we go for our VM. Okay, so we have a certain memory size, and then down here we have our disks, so we can add another disk if we require. We can see we're using LSI logic SCSI interface. We can add any other interfaces that we want, and we of course need to have a unique MAC address on each switch. The deployment is important. It defines the lease deployment and also for the storage. Okay, so when we start this up, we can mount a disk onto it so that it installs the operating system.